So in this Tangerine Bank tutorial, I am going to be showing you how to open up a rewards credit card here on Tangerine Bank. So once the app's opened up, go to the bottom left, press accounts, then scroll down and press either open an account or scroll down further to explore our products, and then select credit card. Once credit card is selected, you can just keep scrolling down until you come across the Tangerine at Rewards World's Elite MasterCard. And if you want to go ahead and proceed with this, press the arrow to read more about it. You can go ahead here, earn scene points, etc. If this looks good to you and you want to go down, you can go ahead and press add accounts. Once you're here, you can go ahead and press continue one more time. Then you can go ahead and review your product, and if this looks good to go and you want to proceed with the application, go to the bottom, press continue, and then answer the questions and do what you got to do after that when it comes to opening up, or I guess receiving, a rewards back credit card. So pretty simple, pretty straightforward. That's how you guys can open a rewards credit card here on Tangerine Bank. Thanks again for watching and hope this helps.